In this video, we use Photoshop and AI to restore and colorize vintage photographs, showcasing 10 different types of transportation from the 1800s. But we don't stop there. We bring these images to life by adding subtle motion, transforming still history into living scenes. Watch as photographs that have been hidden for decades reveal their stories in vivid color and movement. Let's get started. The Covered Wagon. Loup Valley, Nebraska, 1866. The Townsend Penwell family was traveling to Montana and poses beside their covered wagon. Pictured left to right, Absalom Austin Townsend. His daughter, Virginia Townsend Penwell. His son-in-law, Marcellus Penwell. And his granddaughter, Laura Luva Eva Penwell. Source: Anthony Townsend, descendant of Absalom Austin Townsend. Photograph by Ron Harvey. Courtesy of NARA, National Archives and Records Administration. Covered Wagon Travelers. Greenwood County, Kansas, late 1800s. A couple pauses to eat lunch beside their covered wagon while journeying across the Kansas plains. Photographer unknown. Courtesy of the Kansas Historical Society. Cowboy, near Sturgis, Dakota Territory. Present-day South Dakota, 1888. This photograph, titled The Cowboy, shows a well-armed cowboy dressed in a debated dandy or Eastern dude style rather than the practical attire of a working ranch hand. Photograph by John C. Grable. Courtesy of the Library of Congress. Tallyho Coaching. Great Hot Springs of Dakota Territory. Present-day South Dakota, 1889. A horse-drawn stagecoach carries a Sioux City party of well-dressed women, children, and men visiting the Great Hot Springs. Photograph by John C. Grable. Courtesy of the Library of Congress. The Deadwood Coach. Black Hills, South Dakota and Wyoming, 1889. Side view of a stagecoach with formally dressed men seated inside and atop the coach. Photograph by John C. Grable. Courtesy of the Library of Congress. Wells Fargo and Company Express Wagon. South Dakota, 1890. The Deadwood treasure wagon carries $250,000 in gold bullion from the Great Homestake Mine, guarded by 5 armed men in an uncovered, horse-drawn wagon standing stationary on a lonely country road. Photograph by John C. Grable, courtesy of the Library of Congress. Mule-Drawn Streetcar, trolley car. Covington, Georgia, late 1800s. 3 men and 2 boys ride aboard a mule-drawn streetcar on Clark Street, passing the Newton County Courthouse in Covington. Photographer unknown, courtesy of the Library of Congress. Denver and Rio Grande Train. Colorado, 1881. Titled Veta Pass. This photograph captures a Denver and Rio Grande Railroad train crossing the original narrow-gauge line over La Veta Pass near the summit. Rising to approximately 9,400 feet, the pass was considered one of the highest railroad crossings in the world at the time. Photograph by William Henry Jackson, courtesy of the Library of Congress. Lookout transport steamer on the Tennessee River, 1860 to 1865. The Lookout steamer served as a troop and supply vessel during the American Civil War and was often armed with a cannon. It was frequently used in Union operations around Chattanooga, Tennessee. Photograph by Matthew Brady, courtesy of NARA, National Archives and Records Administration. The American Line steamer, New York. Typical Atlantic passenger steamer, 1895. This photo was published in Cassier's magazine in September 1895. The steamship New York sailed under the U.S. flag and measured 575 feet long with a 63-foot beam, powered by twin screws and triple engines producing 20,000 horsepower. Photographer unknown, courtesy of Cassier's magazine and Wikipedia. Thanks for watching. We'll be sharing more historic photographs brought to life with color and animation. So if you're interested, please subscribe.